Good morning, students. Welcome you all for online learning session. Today we are going to start your maths lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. This is of standard 7th. So before starting this lesson, we will just recall which is given. So students, you know what is prime numbers? You have studied in the last year. What is prime numbers? If you don't remember, see, just copy down this one. Prime number is what? A number that is divisible only by itself and 1. What is prime number? A number that is divisible only by itself and 1. For example, 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and number itself, 2. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. 5 is also divisible by 1 and 5. Have you understood? वो नंबर जो खुद अपने टेबल से जो है वो डिवाइड हो और एक 1 से. So that is called prime number. See here in your textbook, here is asking which is the smallest prime number. So which is the smallest prime number? 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. List the prime numbers from 1 to 50. How many are they? So here you have to write down the numbers from 1 to 50, which is prime numbers. Okay. So students, remember it. Prime numbers are what? Divisible by 1 and number itself. So you can write it from like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, then 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. That's it. Circle the prime numbers in the list below. See here, the numbers are given and you have to what? Circle the which is prime number. So 17 is the prime number. Circle it. 15 is not a prime number. This is composite number. 4 is also not a prime number. 3 is prime number. Then 2 is prime number. 23. Then 41, 43. Then 79 and 97. Now, what is co-prime numbers? Students, you have understood what is prime numbers because you have done in the last year also. Now, what is co-prime numbers? So, two numbers which have only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime or relative prime, or we can say mutually prime numbers. Got it? Two numbers which have only one as a common factor. Two numbers, कोई दो नंबर के जब हम लोग फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं तो उसमें से जो है सिर्फ वन ही उनका कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड को प्राइम नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन 10 and 21. So what are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. Correct? 1, 2, 5, 10. And what are the 21's factor? These are the divisor of 21. We can say 1, 3, 7, 21. If you see both these divisors, so only one is the common. See, one is only common. 2, 5, 10, 3, 7, 21 is not common. So this number is called what? Co-prime numbers. Got it? Some other co-prime numbers are, for example, 3, 8, 4, 9. These are the pairs of co-prime numbers. 3, 8, 4, 9, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24. Verify that any two consecutive natural numbers are co-primes. Consecutive number means what? फौरन एक के बाद एक, जैसे कि 22, 23, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24. This is called consecutive. Is that clear to you all? Now, twin prime number. We have learned co-prime number, prime numbers. Now, twin prime numbers. Twin prime number is what? If the difference between two co-prime number is 2. That difference is what? 2. कोई दो प्राइम नंबर के बीच में डिफरेंस 2 का हो. So, the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. For example, see here 3, then 4 and 5. There is difference what? 2 differences there. So, this is twin prime number. 5, 7. 5 और 7 के बीच में क्या है? 6 है, then फिर 7 है. So, 2 नंबर हो गया. So, this is twin prime number. 11, 13, 29, 31, etc. Now, we will start. Now, practice set 10. First question. Which number is neither a prime nor a composite number? कौन सा नंबर जो ना ही प्राइम नंबर है और ना ही कॉम्पोजिट? सो 1. 1 is neither prime number or nor a composite number. Here you have to write answer is 1. Then see the second one. Which of the following are pairs of co-primes? See here 4 pairs are given and we have to find out which pairs are co-prime numbers. So students, just now we learn about the co-prime numbers. Which are the, what is co-prime numbers? Which have only 1 as a common factor. Understood? So we will see which pairs have a 1 as a common factor. So we will set that what? We will say this is the co-prime number. So here we will write question number 2. Question number 2, 8 and 14. First one is given 8 and 14. So first we will see the divisor of 8. हम लोग जो है वो सबसे पहले 8 के डिवाइजर देखेंगे. Then we will see divisor of 14. What are the divisor of 8? 1. Then 2. 3 के टेबल में ये नहीं आता है 8. Then 4. Then 8. 14. What are the divisor of 14? 1. 2. Then 7 and 14. Now see the common factor or we can say common divisor. So 1 is the common and 2 is also common. So here there are 2 common factor. That means this is not a co-prime number. Have you understood? So you have to mention it. This is not a co-prime number. Now see second one. 4 and 5. First we will see the divisor of 4 and then we will see divisor of 5. What are the divisor of 4? 1, 2 and 4. And here 1 and 5. Now see the common factor. Only 1 is the common factor. That means this is the what? This is co-prime number. Or you can write this pair is co-prime number. Got it? So you have to write it like this. This is co-prime numbers or you can say this pair is co-prime. Same thing you have to do in this one and you have to find out which pair is co-prime numbers. Is that clear? This is your homework. Now see the third one. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. From 25 to 100 we have to see which are the prime numbers. Then at the end we have to count and write it how many they are. Now see question number 3. We have to find out from 25. So 25 is not a prime number. 26 is not a prime number. Then 28 nahi, 29. 29. Then 31. Then 37. 41. 43. 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, then 89, 97. These are the prime numbers from 25 to 100. So now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now write it. Total numbers from 25 to 100 are 16. Total, here is asking what? List the prime numbers from 25 to 100. Say how many they are. Clear? Now see the fourth question. Write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Twin prime numbers. What is twin prime numbers? The difference between what? Two co-prime number is 2. So from 51 to 100. So we can write what? 59, 61. This is what? Twin prime number. Then, so you can see in question number 3 which we have done, the prime numbers find out from 25 to 100. So we can see in this twin prime number. So it will be easy for you. See, 59 and 61. Okay. Then 71, 73. 71, 73. Then there is no other twin prime number. So that's it. You have to write it this much. 59, 61, 71, 73. Now see question number 5. Write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Here we have to write the 5 pairs from 1 to 50 twin prime numbers. So, question number 5. 5 pairs. Which are the 5 pairs? First is from 1 to 50. So, that's why 2, 3. Then 5, 7. Then 11, 13. Then 29, 31. Or you can take here 17, 19. Then 29, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can take 41, 43. Understood? So these are the what? Twin prime numbers. So you have to write any 5 pairs. Now see the question number 6. Which are the even prime number? Which are the even prime numbers? So even prime number is what? 2. Why? Because the only even prime number is 2, because all the other even numbers can be divided by 2. So other even numbers will have 3 factors as 1, 2 and themselves. So there is only one even prime number, that is 2. Understood? Remember it. Which are the even prime numbers? There is only 2. 2 is what? Even prime numbers. And the other numbers are divisible by 2 and it will have 3 factors. Okay. Now let's move on to the next practice set. See practice set 11. Factorize the following numbers into primes. How do we factorize the numbers? Okay. Here in this exercise we will learn how to factorize the numbers. कैसे हम लोग को जो है वो numbers के factorization निकालना है. So there is a 2 to 3 methods to factorize. First, we will understand the vertical arrangement. Then I will show you the horizontal arrangement. Now, vertical arrangement. If I take any number, suppose I am taking number 24. Now, I am doing vertical arrangement. Vertical arrangement. Like this manner, you have to factorize the number and always starts with the smallest number. Understood? Smallest divisor, or you can say smallest number. So first we will start from the 2. Because there is unit place, if any number is at the unit place like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these numbers are at the unit place, that will be divisible by 2. Got it? अगर यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 होगा तो वो 2 से डिवाइड होगा. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दी 2. सी 24 जो है वो 6 4 24 होता है, बट हम लोग जो है वो छोटे नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो 2 1 2, then 2 2 4, like this. 2 6 12. Then again we can take from 2, 2 3 6. And here is 3. That means 3 1 3. Got it? So these are the factors of 24. What are the factors? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So you have to write it here. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. These are the factors of 24. Now next method, हॉरिजॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट. आप हॉरिजॉन्टल में जो है वो इसको कैसे फैक्टराइज करेंगे? सी 24. हम लोग जो है वो सबसे पहले यहां पर भी सबसे छोटा वाला नंबर लेंगे. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 1 2, 2 2 4. दैट मीन्स 12 2 24. ओके, देन we will write 2 as it is. Then for this number we will write one more 2 because this is divisible by 2. So 2 6 12. Understood? Now these two we will write as it is, these two. Then for this 2 3 6. So again you have to write 2 multiply by 3. So this is the factor of 24. You can see both the factors are same. अगर आप वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट से करना चाहते हो तो आप ऐसे कीजिए, आप ऐसे करना चाहते हो तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. अंडरस्टूड? सो दीज आर दी फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24. दिस इज वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट एंड दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट. सो नाउ प्रैक्टिस सेट. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट practice set 11. Factorize the following numbers into primes. See, first one. What is the number is given? 32. I am doing vertical arrangement. From the vertical arrangement, see, you have to write the number in this side. Now start from 2 because at the unit place there is a 2, so it will divisible by 2. 2 1 2. Then 1 is remaining. Then 12. 2 6 12. Again 2 8 16. 2 4 8. Then 2 2 4. 2 is remaining. Then 2 1 2. Have you understood? So these are the factors of 2. Now write it. What are the factors of 2? See how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Is that clear to you all? Now see the second one. 57. 57. See, at the unit place there is 7. That means it will not be divisible by 2. So it will divide with what? By 3. So 3 ones are 3. Then 2 is here remaining. Then number is 27. 3 nines are 27. Then 19 is what? Prime number. So that means 19 ones are 19. थोड़ी ये 9 हमारी ज्यादा बन गई. So 50. What are the factors of 57? 3 multiplied by 19. Clear? Now see the 23. Third one. 23. 23 is a prime number. That means it will not divisible by any number. It will divide by itself. So 23 ones are 23. Got it? So you have to write what? Only 23. Factors of 23 is what? 23. Now see the fourth one. 150. See, at the unit place there is 0. It means it will divisible by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 is remaining. Then number is 10. 2 fives are 10. See, at the unit place there is a 5. That means it will not divisible again 2. So we will take, after 2 we will take 3. So it will divide. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. Then 3 5s are 15. Then 25 जो वो 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, it will come in which table? 5. So 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. Is that clear to you all? So these are the what? Factors of 150. What are the factors? 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. See the fifth one. 216. 216. It will first we will start from 2. 2 ones are 2. Then we will take 0 because directly we will take 16. So 2 8s are 16. Have you understood? First we will take what? 2 ones are 2. Then after that 1 is the smaller number than 2. That means we will take 16. So that's why we have to put the 0. Now 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 1 is remaining. 2 7s are 14. Then this number, it will divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Have you understood? So these are the factors of 216. What are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. See, how many times 2? 3. 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. So these are the factors. Rest of the questions is your homework. So you have to do it by your own. I have explained and write it in your notebook.